Very good evening to all. How do you feel today? Everything good? From morning to evening? Very interesting. Oh, nice. Will be more interest the coming days. But don't be afraid while showing the PDF to you. The evening we discuss only. Evening we discuss only. What I said in the morning, 11th or 12th. 12th part. Good evening, Akash Dev. Is it visible to all? I hope you people can do the 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark questions yourself. I hope you people can do yourself 1 mark, 2 mark, 3 mark. Or you want now? This is for I3 only, but not for you. If you want, I keep with you only. This part. Oh, okay, then you try to finish. Maybe you remember the concepts briefly once. Just you see, Nana, I read the question. Two equal balls having equal positive charge Q, so suspended by two insulating strings of equal length. What would be the effect on the force when a plastic sheet is inserted between the two? Generally, you just share with me, if any medium present between the two charges, what happens the force between them? Formula you can remember. F equal to K 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R squared. Now if you keep the what medium 1 by 4 pi epsilon m into Q1 Q2 by R squared. Now we can write 1 by epsilon R into Yup, air only. So what happened now? Bhagirath, say. What happened? So decreases by epsilon r times have we got? Anybody want take a screenshot? Next you see plot a graph showing the variation of Coulomb force gap versus 1 upon r square, where r is the distance between the two charges of each pair of charges 1 and 2 and 2 and minus 3. So what they ask that interpret the graphs. So I tell you that you just see now. I tell you the graphs, you just see. Whatever the forces magnitudes, you can take no problem, both. F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 1 into by r square. Modulus F proportional to 1 by r square. First one 102, second one 2 3. Now you see 2 by r square F proportional to next one 6 by r square. We want it will be like this. F r 6 by r square 2 by r square. R value increases. R increases F1, F2, which is more than R value increases. For example, R value 2 square 1 by 2, 4 means 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 means 1.5 is 0.2. This one is more than the what? First one, like this. Clear? Have you cleared? Only one marker. No need to spend more time. Just ask only small graph. Next. This one you see. An infinite number of charges, each q placed along x-axis at x equal to 1, 3, 9, so on. Calculate the field at the point x equal to 0 due to these all charges. Tell me, what is the expression for electric field? Anyone? What is the expression for electric field? Equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by r square. Q by r square. Very good. And now you see here infinite number of charges. Q. Q here, all are Q. What is that? Distance 1, 3, 9, and so on. So for this electric field you see all E1, E2, E3 and so on. ER equal to E1 plus E2 plus E3 plus and so on. Why should I take the direction away? Because these are all are the positive charges. Field is directed away from positive charge. So from this 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q value keep here only. E1 1 by 1 square, 1 by 3 square, 1 by 9 square and so on. And tell me the answer. What I write? You know already progressions, different type of progressions. This is A plus R plus R square plus and so on. You know the formula. This is equal to A by A minus R. So A means 1 upon 1 minus R value 1 by 9. You get. Be the board question is once given. Of course, we are getting similar questions in JEE mains nowadays. Similar models we are getting in JEE mains also. Check the answer with ERP. These are the 1 mark questions. People know. Anybody give me answer for second one? First and second. Why do electrostatic field lines not form closed loops? But you know magnetic lines should form a closed loop, but not electric field lines. Because they started at the positive charge, terminated at the. Started at the positive charge and terminated at the negative charge. Very good. They are open loops. But not magnetic. North to south outside, south to north inside. Magnetic lines, but electric lines only from positive to negative. Very good. And another one, in both cases, electric and magnetic lines, both cases, the two lines never intersect with each other because of if they cross each other, there is a what? Two possible directions of the electric field. There is a two possible directions of electric field, or field has two directions. That's why field lines are never intersect with each other. Clear? Are we clear? Two lines intersect each other means field has a two directions. This is not possible because field is a vector quantity. Vector has only one direction. God's love will see on tomorrow. So these are strictly from our material you did in the month of March. Once again, we start today onwards because you peoples will write the JEE exam on Sunday. So uniform for I1 and I2. So don't feel about this section all. But here we show you some extra also for board if you want. And now see the question and all. While I am reading, you just see the question. I give you formula and then you solve. Otherwise, you solve yourself. Both we can do simultaneously. The excess number of electrons that must be placed on each of two small spheres spaced 3 centimeter apart with a force of repulsion between the spheres to be 10 power minus 19. For example, if we keep a n number of electrons, according to quantization of charge, Q value is equal to how much here? NV. So formula is F equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 Q2 by R square. Here Q1 equal to Q2 equal to NV and R equal to how much given? 3 into 10 power minus 2 meter. F equal to how much given? 10 power minus 19 Newton. So, n value question mark. Find out. Very good. Proceed. This is a level 2 from our material class work. If you have material, open and then see. Class work level 2. Level 2, level 3 of target. E value 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. E value. Akash, very good. Who has solved that? Gopalji, you can do it yourself the question. No need to wait for the remaining. 625, correct. Correct, calculation. Don't multiply 1.6, 1.6 because in the square will gone. We'll get only 1.6. So the rest of stop doing this question and see the next one. After I explain the formula and the procedure, then you proceed the calculation. See Nana, two small conducting spheres, each of mass m, suspended from the same point by non-conducting string of length L, 100 centimeter. So m given 9 into 10 power minus 4 kg. L given 100 centimeter means 1 meter. They are given equal and similar charges until the strings are equally inclined at 45 degree each other. The vertical with the vertical, the charges on the each sphere. See here all very simple. If you can suspend the both, generally what happens? These two are repellent with each other. 45 degree. 45 degree. And is moving upward. But here is the weight acting in downward direction. Both cases. F, weight acting in downward direction. They ask you to determine the value of what? Q. So you should take this is theta. Angle theta. Now you see. The same thing I can take. This is F. Tan theta equal to F by mg. Because the equilibrium clearly given. Yet equilibrium. Tan theta equal to F by mg. Suppose you see, this is the gravity less. What is the angle between both? There is no gravity between these two. What is the angle between them? The repulsion there continuously and becomes horizontal. So what is the angle between the strings? 180. But the gravity there, so due to gravity it tends to move down. Due to repulsive force tends to move up. At one position, the blocks are in the equilibrium. Say this. So apply. F equal to mg because theta value 45. F means 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Both are given Q charge. Q square by length L given. This distance suppose x. This is also the x. So total how much now? 4x square equal to m into g. How do you determine the x value? Sin 45 equal to x by L. X equal to L sin 45 equal to L by root. Put there. Find the value of Q. See Nana procedure. May or may not you remember, but once again I reminder you now. Try to memorize the basic concepts. Just revise or copy what we discussed before. You get idea of all models. Several are given to you. In the medium also have given dielectric constant equal to rho by rho minus rho v. Whether you remember or not. These applications we discussed before. important application for JEE mains. This is in air, in the liquid medium conditions. The electric constant equal rho b by rho b minus rho l. Anyway, first you do this. Sorry, Nana, that what you have done now. Now, okay? The next time I can manage. I can manage the next time. You can take this. Have you got all of? Have you got none of this? Procedure. Very good, Pritam. Answer. Check your answer with my answer. I've got 1.4 microcoulomb. Sai Rameshwar, very good, but decimal, I think on small decimal, 19.6, 9.88 you take because of already 2 there. If you take 20, may be difficult for us. 1.4 into 10 power minus 6. This is a note, you know. Okay. Share with me, Nana, all you now. What is the distance of null point from the charge? What is the distance of null point from the charge? So between two charges. Formula I can write. You just share with me your idea. Distance of null point from Q1 is x equal to d by root of modulus of Q2 by Q1 plus or minus 1. The positive sign for, negative sign for, positive sign for, not visible I think. X d upon root over Q2 by Q1 plus or minus 1. Positive sign for, try to memorize. Positive sign for, like charges or unlike charges. See, positive sign means null point exists between the two charges. So there should be a what? Between the two charges, there should be a like charges. Negative sign applied for unlike charges. See here, Q1, Q2. Null point exists between them. This is x. Suppose minus Q1 plus Q2. Null point exists away from that. Okay. So what we write? Positive sign for like charges, negative sign for unlike charges. Now clear? Now clear both? This is the remembering part, but we want here you see. Q1 equal to 4 millicoulomb, Q2 equal to minus 9 millicoulomb. Here is the x distance from A until B and P. So x equal to what I write? This is A being given how much? B equal to 0.5. Unlike charges, B upon root Q2 by Q1 modulus minus 1. Minus or plus than? Minus only. Don't confuse because the distance from the other charge is how much? B plus x. This is the D plus x. Then a positive sign taking the other side, we get negative. Now you tell me the answer. X value. How much Nana? Right, here modulus given you see, don't put the word negative sign. If you put negative in modulus should be positive. 9 by 4 minus 1. 0.5 by 3 by 2 minus 1. 0.5 into 2. 1 meter, very good. Now I equal to D plus x. 0.5 plus 1. 1.5. First day may be less for you, but means maybe you people unable to remember the formulas. Of course, you are remembering, doing good, but we need to do more questions like this. Questions you see 6, 7, 8, 9. Today actually I thought 10. Anyway, no problem. We'll do tomorrow, Nana, remaining. We will do on tomorrow. Got the procedure, everything? All you have got the procedure? Try to utilize. If you are doing same thing every day, maybe you people feel bored. So that's why our management thinks about you and increase the level of your things. Level will be increased more. Means you need to think big about your program. That's why our management introducing for you advanced level and both JE. Utilize Nana, we help you. We cannot take rest for you like we also be doing like this study here. I reminder you every formula procedure, you try to calculate everything. Enough for us. Thank you. Good night all. Good night. We'll meet on tomorrow. Arup, yesterday I think who is that? One more Katak, I saw him here. His name is your friend Anurag. He is in I2 or I3? I2 only, I think. Okay, okay. Anyway, no problem. We'll see. Thank you, Nana. Take care. Bye bye.